Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube video. So I'm going to tell you guys which one I got first and my favorite. And as you see, I did get a haircut. I got a mullet. So yeah. So my very first Rubik's Cube is this one. So I used to do bottle flipping like crazy, and then my mom just decided that I shouldn't just do it anymore. So then she got me one of these Rubik's Cubes. This one does actually work. It does turn. There is some stickers missing off this. So yeah, that's my first one. Then my second one is this one. It's another 3x3. It's a really trashy one. It doesn't turn good. Here's the logo. Rubix.com. It's really trashy. So yeah. So that's our second one. Now on our third one. The third one I got was, I'm pretty sure, these two in one package. So yeah, this is my next best one. And then got this other 2x2 that's pretty good, but I don't use it that much. So that's these ones. Then I got this one, the pyramid. So this one's pretty cool. And then I got this one from McDonald's. It's like this weird thing. Yeah. And I got that last year. I think in the summer. So, no, not in the summer. Like, I got this year. And this is a pretty fun one. Now we have a whole entire other package. We got the 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and then the 5x5, all in one package. So all of these in one package. And then finally, I got another 3x3 like this from my friend. So he just gave it to me because he didn't really want it. So yeah. And that was my whole entire Rubik's Cube collection. In total, I have 11 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3x3s, 2 2x2s, a pyramid, a McDonald's cube, 2x4, and then 4x4, and a 5x5. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my favorites.